So let's get with the Partnership Act. Let's get started with the Partnership Act. We will be covering the general nature of partnership over here. Definition of partnership, partner, firm, and name. Firm name. Okay. Partnership means relation between two people. For a partnership, it is important that there are two people. Okay, relation between persons who have agreed to share the profits. They should be agreeing to share the profit of a business carried on by all or any of them. One person can act for all, or everyone can act for individually and for the firm. Acting for all. Okay, persons who have entered into partnership with one another are called as individual partners. Like individually, if you have entered into a partnership firm or in partnership agreement, you will be called as partners. Collectively, all of you will be called as firm. The name under which the business is carried on is called as firm. Okay, now various elements of partnership. This is a direct question that they can ask you, so be aware of this. You can read it, revise it again. Association of person, association of two or more person recognized by law can enter into agreement of partnership. So when you are getting into partnership, there should be association of two or more persons. Minimum two people are required, and it should be recognized by law. These people who are getting into agreement, they should be permitted by law to get into partnership agreement. Partnership must be the result of an agreement. So your partnership should be a result of the agreement. Agreement may be express or implied. You can write the agreement if you want. You cannot, like if you just want to imply the things, it can be an oral thing also. You have just got into an agreement, that is also allowed. Then next what they have said is, okay, second, yeah. So we were discussing agreement may be oral or written. It can be expressed or implied. If you want, you can mention all the conditions. If you want, it is deemed also, it is implied also that these conditions are there in a partnership form. Your agreement can be oral or in writing, and it is preferred that it is in writing because it acts as a proof when there is profit sharing disputes or any type of disputes is there. So agreement works. Business, existence of a business and acquisition of gains. You should have a business that you're going to run, and you should be getting gains out of it. Agreement to share profits and losses. Agreement should contain your profit sharing ratio. Business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. Binding contract of mutual agency is there between the partners. Partner is the principal as well as the agent for all the other partners. You will act on behalf of all the partners, and all the partners will have to agree with. Okay, and if they are choosing that they are acting on all the partners, like one partner will act for everyone, so there is mutual agreement, mutual agency between. Okay, now true test of partnership, they can ask you a question on this. Remember, this is a very important topic. Existence of partnership when agreement between all the partners is concerned, like all the partners who are there, they have an agreement to share the profits of the business, and the business was carried on by one of them or all of them. Okay, so that three conditions will help you to check that is there a partnership firm or partnership business is there or not. Okay, now partnership distinguished from other forms of organization. Your partnership different from joint stock company. Legal status, it is not a legal entity, but joint stock company is an artificial legal person. Agency, partner is an agent of firm and other partners. A member is not an agent of company. Okay. Distribution of profits, the firm of profits of the firm are distributed as per partnership deed, but here there is no such compulsion to distribute profits. Dividends you can declare when you want. If you don't want, you can just skip the dividend part. Existence, extent of liability of partner members is unlimited. Here the members liability is limited to the amount of unpaid amount of share. Okay, property, the firm's property is joint estate of all partners. Whatever property is there of the firm, it is containing all interest of all the partners. Only one person cannot claim it. But company's property is separate from its members. Members have a different property, company has a different. Okay, you can get it back in the form of dividends. When the property will be sold, you will get the profit in the form of dividend. Transfer of share, a share in partnership cannot be transferred without the consent of all partners. You have to take the permission of all the partners if you want to transfer your share in the partnership. But your shares of a private limited company can be transferred with ease. Management, partner can take part in the management of firm. Only director members are the members of management. Okay, can take part in the management. Then we have next point of registration. Partnership gets registered under Partnership Act and it is not compulsory, but company has to get registered under Companies Act 2013. It is compulsory. Winding up, partnership firm may be dissolved by any partner at any time if all the partners are agreeing. Company is wind up by NCLT or its name is struck off by the ROC. If ROC cuts down your name, then you can get into winding up. Number of members, here number of partners maximum is 100, present limit is 50. Okay, as per Companies Act your number of partners maximum is 100, but as per the company's miscellaneous rules present limit is 50. In this, minimum private limited company should have minimum 2 members and maximum 200 members. Public limited minimum 7 members, maximum any limit, any number can be there, no limit is there. One person company, one person or one member should be there. Duration of existence, firm does not have perpetual succession. If all the partners have died, firm will dissolve. Company has perpetual succession. How is partnership different from club? Objective of partnership is profit. For the club, the objective is non-profit. Relationship, there is partners and here there is members. Interest in property, yes, we are interested. In club, you are not interested in property. You will not get any money from it. Dissolution, change in partners affect the existence. Here change in members does not affect existence. Even though members are changing, club is going to still go on. Okay. Similar lines, we have a difference between partnership and HUF. Here mode of creation is an agreement. Here status means its creation by birth in family. When the child is born, he becomes the member of the HUF. Death of a member ordinarily leads to dissolution of partnership. Here does not give rise to dissolution of family business. Family business will still continue. Management, all the partners are equally entitled to take part. Here generally the powers are vesting on Karta, male member or female member of the family. Authority to bind, every partner can bind his act to the firm. All the partners will be responsible for any activity done by partner. Karta or the manager has the authority to contract for family business and other members in the family. Liability here is unlimited. Only the liability of Karta is unlimited. Other co-partners have limited liability. Okay, they will give only to their extent. Calling for accounts of closure, a partner can bring a suit against the firm for accounts provided he also seeks the dissolution of the firm. You can say that I want to check the accounts of the business provided you are asking it for the dissolution. On separation of joint family, a member is not entitled to ask for accounts of the family business. Even though you are getting separated from the family business, you can't ask for the accounts of the business. Okay. Few more points that they have given. Governing law, here we have partnership governing law, HUF as Hindu governing law. Minor's capacity, minor cannot become partner, but only for the profits he can become partner. Here minor is having the ancestral property, so here he does not have to wait for the age of maturity. He has not to wait to attain the age of maturity. Continuity, subject to a contract between partners, gets dissolved by death or insolvency of partner. If it is not written in anything in the partnership agreement, whenever a partner dies or it becomes insolvent, partnership firm will come to it. Here the continuity is there till the firm is, HUF is divided. Okay? Till then it is going to be running, and death of member does not affect it. Number of members should not exceed 50, unlimited in number. Okay, you can have any number in HUF. Share in the business, each partner has a definite share by virtue of agreement. Here no co-partners have a definite share. There is no definite share open. Okay. Now, partnership versus your co-ownership or joint ownership. Here it is out of formation of contract. Here it arises just by agreement or by operation of law. Or it can happen by inheritance. Two brothers have got a land. That is by inheritance. Implied agency, a partner is agent of the other partners. Here co-owner is not the agent of co-owners. Next is nature of interest. There is community of interest, which means that profits and loss must have been shared. And here co-ownership does not necessarily involve sharing of profit and losses. Here it is not necessary you will be sharing the profit and losses or in a specified way. Transfer of interest, a share in the partnership is transferred only by the consent of other partners. Here you can transfer your share only by consent. Co-owner may transfer his interest without the consent of other co-owners. Okay. Kinds of partnership. Partnership with regard to duration, if there is a specific duration, that is at will you are doing it. No fixed period will be there when you are doing it at will. Now, if no provision is made to determination of partnership, like till when it is going to run, no determination is done. Now, if you have for a fixed period, partnership will come to an end after a fixed period. Okay, it will expire after the end of fixed period. With regard to extent of business, particular partnership you're doing, you're just doing the partnership for constructing the houses. So that is what you're going to do. You're undertaking the partnership only for that adventure. Your general partnership is there, that means constituted with respect of business in general. You can do any type of business. Okay. Then we have types of partners. Now, active, actual or ostensible partner who is actually working in the firm, actively participating in the conduct of partnership is your active partner. Sleeping partner, dormant partner only gives contribution of money or any of the resources or contacts, does not actively take part. Okay. Nominal partner lends his name. Amitabh Bachchan has given the name to my partnership firm. So he has just given a name without having real interest in the firm. He does not have interest in my firm. Still, he has given the name. Not entitled to share profits. He will not get the profit. He will not take part in the business also. And liable to third parties for all acts of firm. If something goes wrong, Amitabh Bachchan will also have to. Okay. Partner in profits only. They are only going to share the profit, not the losses. Liable to all third parties. You will not be liable for the losses. You won't have to suffer losses. But if something goes wrong and the third party is demanding, bank is demanding the money, that time this partners also will pay in profits only. Incoming partner means your admitted partner who is getting into a new firm. By the consent of all the existing partners, you will be admitted. He is not liable for any act which was done before admission. Before you came to this partnership firm, if anything goes wrong, admitting partner, incoming partner is not liable. Outgoing partner who is leaving the firm, and you won't be liable for any activity that is done after you leave the firm. Okay. Partner by holding out means you represent yourself that I am the partner. You're employee of the firm. You say now I am the partner. Some person allows you to become the partner. Show that other people you are partner. Some person says that he is the partner, but you are not the partner. That time you become liable to as a partner in the firm. To anyone who has kept the faith on you. I'll give a small example. A, B, C is the partnership firm. A, B, C are partners. D is not the partner. Still, what they do when they are taking bank loan from SBI, SBI wants that you should have four partners. So they say D is also the partner. D did not say anything. D did not object it. Now, if the loan is not repaid, D will also pay to SBI. He will also be liable because he is liable same as the partner. Okay. I hope the types of partners are clear to you people. Great. So we have covered our partnership unit number 1 also. Okay. I hope this revision was helpful for you and you'll perform very well. Revise this thoroughly. Unit 1 is very much important for you people. Okay. That's it for partnership video.